We guard you while you sleep. Do not with us.
New dawn, it's a new day, it's a new week for the crypto markets, and yet you would still think it was 3 or 4 days ago. Still stable. I'm getting panic attacks. I'm not used to this stability. Calm yourself. Bitcoin has established, calm down. Bitcoin has established a higher low near 3,300 in the last 2 months, signaling a bearish exhaustion. However, a break above the Christmas Day lower high of 4,236 is still needed to confirm a bearish to bullish trend change. This article is aptly dubbed "A Bitcoin Bull Market is Still $350 Away," aptly named Omkar Gotwal. Disclosure: the author holds no cryptocurrency assets at the time of writing. Oh. Volume, though, is still very high, 9.8 billion. Million? Sorry, yeah, billion. A lot of it spoofed, but anyway. I'm going to give you some information. This is third hand by now. It's from a friend of a friend. I trust him, but it's still third-party information by this time. Demand for over-the-counter Bitcoin is extremely high, and it's running low. It's getting harder and harder, at least, to come by some available Bitcoin. But not for this guy. I'm going to show you now. What we're looking at here is the analysis of the number 4 biggest wallet for Bitcoin, courtesy of Richard Hart Wynn on Twitter. We can see in green times where he's accumulated or deposited Bitcoins into his wallet, and in the red when he's withdrawn, we suppose, to sell. So, judging by this chart, doesn't seem like they're a very good trader. But at least they didn't buy any Bitcoin recently, so there is that. But what's disturbing, the reason I'm sharing this with you, is right now, it used to be the number 4 biggest wallet. It's now empty. 60,000 coins were just moved. Why? Why would you sell at or close to the bottom of a bear market? Do they know something we don't? Is this an exchange that we don't know about? Why wouldn't you have sold any earlier? Idiot. It's just a lot of unanswered questions. In fact, the rabbit hole gets deeper the further we go into this one. But boy, that would hurt if dumped on the market. 60,000 Bitcoins. That's about $250 million USD. He/she could probably tank the price of Bitcoin on any single exchange down to 0. Obviously, to immediately regret that decision, but theoretically possible. So that's about it that we're going to talk about. I suppose maybe we should talk about Stellar. What is going on for the past week? Really good gains. Why? Why don't I hold any? Let's look into that. So just a disclaimer, this could all be the result of natural trading, but we're going to look at potentially what happened as a potential catalyst around the 7th to the 8th of March, as this is where the rally really began. So on March 7th, there was an announcement from Satoshi Pay, which is a micropayments processor built on the Stellar network. They had announced a partnership with one of the biggest media companies in Germany, or at least this company in Germany were going to be purchasing stocks. Don't know how many, potentially a lot, don't know, in Satoshi Pay. Cool. That could be nice. You know, you could start paying for online articles if you were ever going to do so in XLM. But there is also speculation that they are going to announce maybe a partnership with a few banks. In case you didn't know, Stellar has a remittance service much like XRP's, so the use case is the same. Nothing concrete yet though. It just seems like people are now buying the rumor in anticipation of selling the news. Let's look into some facts though, straight facts now. Straight food. Spreading straight food. It's FUD, sir. Samsung unveils cryptocurrency wallet. Okay, now we've seen it. What does it do? The Samsung blockchain wallet is currently compatible only with Ether and Ethereum-based ERC20 tokens. Bitcoin is not yet supported. What? Despite the logo appearing on earlier pre-release presentation images. I'm so salty. But more importantly, the wallet also supports 4 decentralized apps/dApps at launch: crypto gaming platform Engine, beauty community Cosme, whatever that is, crypto collectibles platform CryptoKitties, and merchant payment service CoinDuck. So that last one I thought was the most interesting. Merchant payments, you say. Can I pay with my phone? So going to CoinDuck's website, it appears to be a Korean app. Now, it doesn't actually say anything about being able to use it at every point of sale device, unfortunately. It's basically a wallet, and you can pay people through either a link or a QR code, and it's available at 1,000 locations. Okay, all right, that's a bit meh. Here's my thoughts on this, okay? It doesn't matter almost how good the app is. No one likes bloatware, so there is no excitement here. But what I will say is that it's a step in the right direction, especially if you own Engine Coin. But for Bitcoin holders primarily, I assume most of you are just that, it's the Samsung Pay that we need. That's what matters. We're getting a very step closer to it. You know, with Samsung Pay, you can pay in crypto if they integrate it at every point of sale terminal there is. That's huge. I'd want that for more reasons than one. And I can't see them not implementing that ASAP. But there's a lot to get right. That's a huge undertaking. They need to get it right. Might take some time. All right, that is all that is going on in the world of cryptocurrency that I found interesting today. Let me know if there's anything else that I missed. Smash like if you enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. I'm sorry, I'm not angry. I'm just in that mood, you know?